Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold and we will also share our trading ideas for today. But before that, first of all we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we give in yesterday's video. So this is the gold chart. We did these analysis in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. In that video we did these analysis and we give a buy limit order at this point. So we give this signal in live video. If you did not watch video, please go to our channel and watch that video. So basically this was the demand area and we set up buy limit order at 1850. We set this limit order in front all of you guys. If you are our regular viewer, then you must know. Okay, so market was almost I think here when we put this buy limit order, market come down, pick our order and went up. If we look on H1 time frame, so basically our SL was almost 100 pip and our TP was 200 pips. So market comes down, pick our order and shoot up. But unfortunately our our TP missed by only 3 pips. You can see here our TP missed by 3 pips. So when market was coming down, this candle comes up and missed our TP by 3 pips, come down and close below, and the next candle start bearish. When the next candle, this red candle, bearish candle, this one, when this bearish candle start breaking the previous candle body, then I closed my trade almost 186 point something. I closed my trade. Our TP was 200 pips, but our TP missed by 3 pips. So and market come down, so we missed 60 pips and I closed my trade with 140 pips, 140 pips. So this was the brilliant trade, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis and we also share our trading ideas for intraday trading, and the next day first we discuss about our previous day's analysis, then we move on. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. First of all, we will remove this area because we closed our trade almost here. So close this trade area. Now first of all we will move on D1 time frame and look, see what's going on here. Okay, fine. I think, yeah, okay, no problem. Now we will move on H4 time frame and let's see what's going on here. There is a minor resistance almost here, this week. Okay, now we move on H1 time frame. Yeah, that's nice. We have this support level also. First of all we will draw our support level. Yeah, perfect. If we come on M30 time frame, okay, fine. So these are the analysis for today. Now we are going to discuss about our trades, where we will open trade and why we will open trade. Okay, so basically we have the clear move in this range. First of all we will see how much this range is almost 50 pips. So I think this will be a nice trade if market break this resistance level and the candle close above this resistance level. The next candle give us low wick, so then we will open a buy trade and we can get easily 20 to 30 pips easily. So basically in breakout trades mostly we get 1 risk reward, so you can get 15 to 20, I think 25 pips you can get easily. And the other one, that if market close this support level, then you can open a sell trade and you can get easily. Let's see how much is this range. I think market will come down in this support level. I think this is 110 pips range. This will be a nice range. If you can open a sell trade, then you can get easily 100 pips. Yeah. Okay, now market is ranging in this area. This is almost 90 pips range. If you move on H1 time frame and if you find any bearish candle almost in this area, then there is a high probability chance that market will go down again and you can open a sell trade. Let's see, let's example that if this candle close here and the next candle close like this bearish candle almost here, then your entry should be almost here. It's example not a live trade, and your TP should be almost here. You can get 1 more risk reward easily if this happened. Otherwise don't trade in this range. I will buy in this range and sell in this range. In this range I will open a sell trade if I get any confirmation. If I see any bearish setup, then basically I will open a sell trade. Otherwise I will not open any sell trade. Otherwise I will open a buy trade above this resistance and sell trade below this support level. So these are the trading ideas of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. Don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get updates from us. And if you are looking for best Forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.